Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade orange jam. It's a rewarding process that yields a bright, flavorful spread perfect for toast or pastries. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, focusing on fresh, ripe oranges for the best taste. Then, we'll prepare our canning equipment to ensure everything is clean and ready for preserving. This method ensures a safe and stable product that you can enjoy for months to come. Let's get started on this sweet journey. For our homemade orange jam, we'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, ripe oranges. Look for ones with vibrant color and no blemishes. You'll also need 4 cups of granulated sugar and 1 standard pouch of liquid pectin, which helps the jam set beautifully. Begin by thoroughly washing your oranges, then thinly slice them, carefully removing any seeds. Don't forget to sterilize 8 half-pint canning jars and their lids. This is crucial for safe preservation. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your thinly sliced oranges with 2 cups of water in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until the orange peels are tender. Next, stir in the 4 cups of granulated sugar until it's completely dissolved. Finally, bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil and cook for exactly 1 minute after adding the liquid pectin. This ensures a perfect set. With your jam cooked, it's time to jar it up. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. This space is vital for proper sealing. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then secure the lids and bands tightly. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Once cooled, store your beautiful, homemade orange jam in a cool, dark pantry. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.